The Lenovo Z5s comes with a 6.39-inch IPS LCD display having a screen resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels over the bezel-less display. There is a pixel density of 403 ppi which can provide clarity in the viewing. Under the hood it has been provided with an octa-core processor setup, 2.2 GHz dual-core, Cryo 360 and 1.7 GHz hexa-core Cryo 360. It has been spread upon the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset which provides a good performance together. It has the Adreno 616 GPU that handles the graphics while the 4GB RAM will keep the device lag-free while gaming and multitasking. Also a good 3-camera setup at back. It will launch mid-April in India. Like, share and subscribe to Tech Molecule.